Welcome to CASHAPP Fixes. This is Mohamed. Please subscribe, share and like. Here we have 2007 BMW 3 Series E60. The engine computer, as you see here, have water inside. You see in this side here, they have water inside. See this place here? And what happened is that the real problem on this car was they are working on the transmission and they messed up the wire for the transmission. Now they're looking for the wire. There is no way to get a wire for it. What they did is they bought that car. You see that car there? They bought this one and they have to take a wire out of it and all the system and engine computer. Sometimes you have to think a little bit better. This is 2007 3 Series and they bought it for $1,200. They took wire harness, engine computer. The engine computer itself is the price of the car, of the transmission, you know. So they did that one, and you know, this computer, when you have it as a new or used one, it can work, but you have to have a tools. With it, you can take the information, the secret code, and write it back into the old one and code it, and it will work. It will work perfectly, no problem. So yes, you notice it.
Another guy came, an electrician guy came, and he told me that was water in the computer.
Okay, that's where when you ask me communication, and I tell you if you have no communication, we can't do nothing. It's true, because you have to communicate with the car before you do anything. So now we communicate and we are able to do the. So we are able to program it and and do that one. And do the diagnosis and programming, and the car is work. So always, what I'm trying to say is, do not leave the cover there open. It may mess up your car. You see here, the water get into it from the bottom too. So just try to be sure that don't let the water get into your car, and fix all the harness correctly. And when you take the transmission out, try to take it slowly. Have your time to taking it out. But only my information is, am I going to be able to use if the part number is, yes, you can use this one here. And if you need to program it, you can send us this engine computer, use one, and the CAS module, which is mounted in the bottom here. And you're good to go. Thank you for watching Mobile Electronic, and see you in another video. It's Mohamed Idris.